I woke beneath a broken sky. The morning had forgotten why. 1,000 faces passed me by, but none of them could meet my eyes. I built a home inside my head, with empty rooms and words unsaid. The walls keep breathing in the dark, like dying wires without a spark. And I hear something calling me from somewhere underneath the street. A voice I know, a voice I fear. It gets louder when you're near. I'm drowning in the static rain, trying to feel alive again. Every dream becomes a ghost. Every road leads back to what I lost. I'm falling through the neon lights, searching for a reason to survive. If love is just a beautiful mistake, then let me make the same mistake. The city wears a plastic face. We run but never leave this place. We trade our hearts for borrowed time and call the emptiness a life. I see your shadow on the wall. I reach for you but lose it all. Maybe we're two satellites forever circling the same night. And I hear something calling me, a distant pulse beneath the street. No salvation, no reply, just your reflection passing by. I'm drowning in the static rain, trying to feel alive again. Every dream becomes a ghost. Every road leads back to what I lost. I'm falling through the neon lights, searching for a reason to survive. If love is just a beautiful mistake, then let me make the same mistake. Maybe I was never meant to understand where all this ends. Maybe we're just sparks in wire.